learning Chinese language, learning a word every day. Today, we are learning about 辛苦. First, let's watch an animation about the word 辛苦.
今天干活太累了，真辛苦。
辛苦是什么意思？
辛苦就是劳累、费力的意思。
原来是这样，那我帮帮你吧。
那太感谢了。
A moment later.
谢谢你一路帮忙，辛苦你了。
刚刚你说辛苦是劳累的意思，现在辛苦又是什么含义？
这里的辛苦不单单指身体劳累，还用来礼貌感谢他人付出与操劳。
我明白了。那照顾家人也可以说辛苦吗？
当然可以，照顾家人很辛苦。
那长辈经常对我说辛苦了，也是感谢的意思吗？
没错，这是日常暖心的礼貌用语。
这下彻底弄懂辛苦的用法了。
In the animation just now, we saw different usages of the Chinese word 辛苦. People use this word in daily communication to express feelings and show politeness. Today, we will master all common usages of 辛苦. Before formal learning, let's read it 3 times together. 辛苦, 辛苦, 辛苦. The basic meaning of 辛苦 is hard and tiring. First usage, 干活很辛苦. Read 3 times together. 干活很辛苦，干活很辛苦，干活很辛苦，干活很辛苦 means work is exhausting. We use 辛苦 here to state someone feels worn out after doing things. Second usage, 辛苦你了. Read 3 times together. 辛苦你了，辛苦你了，辛苦你了，辛苦你了 means thank you for your hard work. It is widely used to appreciate others' help and devotion. Third common phrase, 辛苦了. Read 3 times together. 辛苦了，辛苦了，辛苦了. We say 辛苦了 to comfort and praise people who have paid efforts. It can be used between friends, family members, and colleagues. Fourth usage, 不辞辛苦. Read 3 times together. 不辞辛苦，不辞辛苦，不辞辛苦. This phrase means spare no effort and never mind hardship. In daily life, 辛苦 is a warm and practical word. It can describe tired feelings, also convey gratitude and care. Okay, that's all about the usage of the Chinese word 辛苦. Here's a suggestion for you. When learning Chinese, you can try to give yourself an authentic Chinese name. In this way, when interacting with Chinese people in the future, they will be more likely to remember you and leave a better impression on them. If you want to choose a Chinese name, you can watch my other videos or visit directly www.chinesename.me. Choose a genuine and meaningful Chinese name for yourself. All right, that's all for today's study. Goodbye.